Hello viewers, so today he's my brother and today we are going to do a interesting vlog. So that vlog name is
On the day.
yeah. So in this laptop we are going to off the lights and see the horror movie. So you can imagine. So do you think it's a simple thing? Once you try it in your home, you'll understand. So firstly we'll start our vlog by viewers, now we are offing light and I have kept the mobile in least brightness. I cannot see what you are seeing also. So now I am going to off my light. Are you ready?
Ready?
So now we'll off.
Yes.
So it's good. Our first experience. So nothing is visible. I think on screen some dots are there, right? Yeah, something like coronavirus it came. Yeah, something total red it became.
Mommy. Daddy.
లేదు మమ్మీ లేదు
Mama.
ఇప్పుడే ఇలా అయిపోతావేంట్రా నౌ వీ హ్యావ్ టు సీ హర్రర్ వీడియోస్ సో ఐ డోంట్ నో వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ టు మీ బట్ సంథింగ్ హ్యాపెన్స్ టు మీ దట్స్ కన్ఫర్మ్ ఎస్ సో you can see my laptop only that brightness is there now but I don't think I will see
Laptop kuda.
so are you ready
Adi nataka sauce kurune.
okay
Okay, come
I think I will
on, pata.
what even laptop password also I forgot
Daba. Tu.
you stop so firstly I'll go to Chrome it's so black I cannot see okay even keyboard also it's not visible guys
No, set up pussy.
yeah no we can see the phone some shut up
Sasi.
ఇప్పుడు దేని సినిమా చూద్దామా
Tata. Ika wait.
వెయిట్
Come on.
వెయిట్ చేయరా సో వాట్ హ్యావ్ టు సర్చ్ యూస్ ఐ విల్ నాట్ సర్చ్ హర్రర్ వీడియోస్ okay I'll search for horror sounds it's not have any viewers now I am starting on horror sound yeah
Come in.
he is keeping photos so viewers we have seen that video okay
The year is not the
so on horror video it's very too much horror it is there literally I got tears and this fellow already cried
इस टीचर की कहानी एक कल्पना नहीं है ये मंगलन
no I'll not see this so nothing is there ha 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 don't get scared close eyes as well as rules like
me
they showed one picture. If you see, I'll not show to you. It's very dangerous.
Because soda.
No, we'll continue this until you cry. I'll record this voice, HD voice. Once cry. Perfect, perfect. Yes, I'm scared.
Mommy.
ఏం కాదు ఏం కాదు Okay, so the last video we have seen 11 or 12 videos. I didn't show all the videos in this.
इस डीजे की कहानी एक कल्पना नहीं है, ये मनगढ़ंत संगीत जरूर बनाता है लेकिन दिलों को छूता है। इस डीजे के पूर्वजों का लोक कथाओं में भी उल्लेख है। इसका संगीत सुनकर भूत प्रेत, चुड़ैल,
So viewers, hope you have seen the New Year special video. I have given free calls to me, right? So see that. So, hey, where you are escaping? He's silently escaping, no? Now the video will go to end. So viewers, now I am going to on the lights. So finally, see how he became. After crying and crying, it became like this. So really, I was really scared. So you can see. Oh, those horror videos are not normal horror videos. And this is for this video. Happy New Year 2021. So I have said that I'll keep the ghost videos. This is the reaction. Say Happy New Year 2021.